first one is this. We're going to drag it just to the beginning. Learn to play piano. And then we wanted some text, so we'll add the text in here. Now, if I read you the slide, it actually says, picture yourself 12 months from now entertaining a group of friends around the piano. And you may notice a slight problem here, that I have a limited amount of characters. So it looks like I've got an insurmountable problem, and it looks like this really isn't the right video editing package for me. However, I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to add another image. So this image is one that I created earlier. It says, picture yourself 12 months from now entertaining a group of friends around the piano. That goes there. Then we have our group of friends here. We then add, we add some text after that. So the text needs to say ... that you're playing like a maestro. And then we have the maestro shot coming straight after it. Okay. We then want some more text. Traditional teaching is outdated. And we have then the traditional teaching. Then we have more text. Can't spell traditional. Traditional teaching is frustrating. We have that image followed by the fist. Then we want some text, and I'm tweaking this very slightly from the storyboard just because of the number of characters available. Now, ... There's a better way. Add some more text. Introducing ... And then we have rocket piano. Okay. Add some text. Oops. Add. Wrong one. Delete. Okay. Add text. It doesn't quite fit. Comprehensive learning. From beginner to advanced. Okay, you see I'm tweaking it very slightly from the original storyboard. Now we want the comprehensive and the bonuses. Revolutionary course makes learning fun. Then we have fun that one and fun this one. Okay, now we're going to start really building a bit of curiosity. So a bit more text. Professional musicians use tricks of the trade. We have the professional musician there. We're going to add some text. You can learn it too. And the URL. You can learn pianoonline.com. Okay, let me just copy that for future slides. And then we have the picture of the bonus product. And then we go into the final 3 text slides. Request your copy now, colon, and the URL. Oops, wrong one. That should have been in there. Okay, so this one is now claim 6 free lessons. And if you remember, we were going to switch this around, but there's not enough characters to put the URL at the top. So simply go there now. Okay, so this is it. That's all there is to my video. Start at the beginning. Picture yourself 12 months from now entertaining a group of friends around the piano. Now, one of the things I want to mention here is that the slides, they have a certain speed that they go through. And this is a slide where, because it's the hook, we really want to make sure people read it. So I'm going to say spotlight. And what that does is it makes this one a little bit more important, so that when they build the video for us at the end, they'll really dwell on that. The other slides, we'll just let them go through. Yeah, we'll let them go through all the way. Request your copy now. Claim 6 free lessons. And again, we're going to spotlight that last one. Go there now. Okay. I'm not going to spotlight that. It's not an image. So what I might do is I might just duplicate that last one. So it comes up 3 times. So it will say, go there now, URL, go there now, URL, go there now. Remember, repetition is really, really important. So we finished here. We've laid it all out as per our storyboard. We've gone from the attention at the beginning. We've gone through building the interest by talking about how traditional teaching doesn't work. We've then gone into the desire by talking about how great the product is and about the free giveaway. And then we've gone to the call to action. We've even repeated it 3 times at the end there. So I'm going to say done. And what this does is it takes us into the next step, which is to select music. Now we have 2 options here. We can either upload music that we've already found, we've already purchased. Like we talked about previously, make sure that you do have the right to use any music that you upload. If you have a pro account, so you have a license to use this commercially, you can choose select and you'll be given access to music that is licensed. So anything in here you can use. So I might have a look at instrumental. Probably not, maybe classical. I'm just looking down here to see if anything really jumps out as being... Oh, here we go. What's this one? Okay, what better than the flight of the bumblebee played on a piano than to promote a piano course? I'm not sure. Maybe Fur Release. There we go. It's a little bit longer as well, 2 minutes 31. Yeah, we'll go with that one. I could spend some time, I could choose something a little bit better, but for the purposes of this video, we will stick with Fur Release. So all we need to do is click Select. And if we want to change our mind, we can go to change the soundtrack. Also, if we don't want to start at the beginning, we can click here and we can set an offset. But for these purposes, we'll just continue. So, do I want this to be a short video, only 30 seconds? If you're using a free account, that's your only option. Or do we want a full length? Okay. You see it's capped at 10 minutes, but it's determined basically by the number of images. And we can also say how long do we want the images to be on the screen. Standard length of time, half as long or twice as long. I'm going to stick with standard length for now. And again, we're showing the actual style that we've chosen. And as a pro user, I have the option to hide the Animoto logo, which comes up at the end of the video. So this is it for now. I'm going to continue. We'll give it a title. I'm just going to call this Rocket Piano. Description. Oops. This description will get passed across to to YouTube if you choose to upload this. So whenever you fill out a description, always put your website first, because that's always visible and clickable on YouTube. Go there now to claim your free ebook and discover how to get access to 6 free piano lessons online. So actually, let me just change this. Learn piano online. I'll just go straight in with my keywords. Why not? Change that to online piano lessons. Now, if I want to, I can put a button that comes up at the end of the video. I could just say go there now, or even click here to go there now and put my URL in there. You won't be able to do that if it's a free account, but I can do that. We can have a look at it. And I'll click on Create Video. Now, this is actually going to take a while now to finish. It'll go through, it'll process all the media, it'll then compose it based around that blueprint, and it will then produce a 240p resolution, like a sample for me to have a look at. If I'm happy with it, I can then go on to produce the 720 HD version. So I'm going to leave this to run. And what I'll do is I'll actually post the finished video in the membership area so you can have a look at it. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create a video. There's no skills needed. All you need to be able to do is upload files. Okay? As long as you've done the work and got your storyboard, the actual part of creating this video is really easy. It's literally go into the website, upload your files, juggle the order around, and pick some music. As long as you can do that, there's nothing complex about creating a video at all.